Hello design and architecture lovers. See you again on the Bilex 7 channel. Today, we will explore an extraordinary architectural work from the Czech Republic, namely the Villa Sidonius designed by Stempel Tesar Architekti. This villa offers inspiration for all of us who admire the harmony between modern design and nature. Villa Sidonius is located on a steep slope, overlooking the Berounka Valley, the Bohemian karst hills, and the Prague skyline. This unique position presented a challenge for the architects, who then designed a structure resembling a steel bridge, supported by concrete pillars. The result? A residence that appears to float above the slope, maximizing the views to the north while capturing sunlight from the south. This villa is also a structural and technological experiment. Using Swiss Air-Lux windows with pressurized air seals and a heat pump-based heating and cooling system, the house is able to maintain comfort all year round despite its low heat storage capacity. This innovative approach proves that modern technology can improve energy efficiency without sacrificing design aesthetics. Access to the villa is also unique, through an underground tunnel that connects the garage, studio, and fitness area. This tunnel leads to a lift at the base of one of the main pillars, which then takes residents to the main living area. This is where the living room, kitchen and dining area are directly connected to the open terrace facing south, merging with the garden at the top, which is equipped with a swimming pool. This design creates a harmonious relationship between the indoor and outdoor spaces, providing a living experience that is at one with nature. Now, let's take a closer look at the bedrooms and bathrooms of the villa. Designed as a serene private sanctuary amidst the open landscape, the master bedroom presents a warm and cozy atmosphere. Natural materials such as wood and soft textiles are used to create a balance between luxury and simplicity. Every element in the bedroom is designed with functional simplicity in mind. The master bed is strategically placed to enjoy the panoramic view of nature, while a hidden wardrobe in the wall panel keeps the room looking minimalist. The bathroom at Villa Sidonius offers a private spa experience, with a design that emphasizes tranquility and relaxation. The main materials used are natural stone and wood, creating a harmonious blend of natural elements and modern aesthetics. Villa Sidonius teaches us that good design is design that understands and utilizes the unique characteristics of its location. With an innovative approach and the use of modern technology, we can create a home that is not only aesthetic, but also functional and sustainable. What is your favorite part of this design? Write in the comments column. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss other interesting videos from Air-Lux 7.